Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna see how to fix the VAN9003 error in Valorant on Windows. You need to enable Secure Boot. To do so, shut down your PC. Turn it on and immediately press Delete, Escape, F2, F10 or F10, 12 depending on your motherboard brand. Now, go to Settings, then Advanced. Select Windows OS configuration, then click on Secure Boot. Set Secure Boot to Disabled and change Secure Boot mode to Custom. Wait for System mode to change to User, then change Secure Boot mode back to Standard. Enable Secure Boot again. Now all you have to do is save changes and exit the BIOS, usually F10. Now, press Windows plus S when your PC is turned on, search for System Information. In the System Summary, look for Secure Boot State. It should say it's on. If Secure Boot still shows as off, even after enabling it, repeat the steps and make sure the boot mode is set to UEFI, not Legacy. Once Secure Boot is correct, restart your PC and launch Valorant. The error should be gone. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.